Welcome to 2.5 Minutes, NCHA's news program that brings you everything you need to know about cutting in the time it takes to watch a cutting horse run. I'm Manager of Industry Relations, Ty Hillman. The House of Representatives of the Texas Legislature passed Senate Bill 1678, which amends the existing statute of the Major Event Trust Fund and the Event Trust Fund on March 20th. The current version of the bill has broad support from the NCHA, the State Comptroller, the cities and counties that apply for funding from the METF, and the event promoters. Read more on the NCHA homepage or on nchanews.com. Be a part of the biggest NCHA event of the year when NCHA joins with the American Quarter Horse Association to bring you AQHA NCHA Weekend across the United States. Throughout the weekend, cutters can enjoy great fellowship and the chance to compete for $3,000 in added money provided by AQHA and earn qualifying points to the AQHA World Championship Show as well. Competition begins in most areas May 31st. Find the closest one to you today by visiting the NCHA homepage and clicking on the NCHA Weekend logo. The deadline for securing the lower group rate is coming up in 2 weeks, June 3rd, for the 2013 NCHA Convention. This year's convention will be held in Fort Worth, Texas, June 21st through the 23rd at the Omni Hotel. Make your reservations by calling 1-800-THE-OMNI and making sure that you identify yourself as attending the NCHA Convention, or you can follow the link online. A tentative schedule of meetings can also be found online and outlines the 3 days of meetings. The NCHA Convention is your chance to actively participate in decisions affecting the NCHA. It's your voice. Use it. For more information, contact Pam Robison at the NCHA office. Well, that's it for today. On behalf of Joey Jemison, the official Shatmaker of the NCHA, I'm Ty Hillman, and thank you for watching. Make today a great day.